Hello, this is Andonstar I'm learning soldering. This video of our soldering video series began to enter the part involving components. First of all, from the most basic SMD components to start. SMD resistor capacitor device soldering looks simple. In fact, there are many irregularities can occur. For example, the device offset out of the pad, or insufficient amount of tin, or too much tin that may resulting in solder joints like a ball of package soldering. There are also devices could float high and don't fit tightly on the PCB. My hand doesn't steady enough. So, I would make similar mistakes many times and have to fix them over and over again. The last common mistake is that many beginners will tin both pads at first. However, this will cause the devices to be placed unevenly when soldering the pads, resulting in floating height. If the device is not tightly attached to the board, it can cause the device to crash or the solder residue to drill into the gap, which can lead to short circuits and other problems. The correct way to do it should be, put the right amount of tin on one end of the pad first, solder one end of the device, so you can fix it to the pads. Just like what I'm doing now. Be careful to place the device with the logo side up, then tin the other end as well. In this way, the device will be close to the board, so it won't shift, and you'll be able to control the amount of tin you put on it better. If you want better results, you can practice more or use a heat gun. That's all for today. If you are interested in our video, or feel that the clarity of this microscope is satisfactory and want to learn more, you can click on the video at the bottom of the link to the home page to view details. Looking forward to your attention, and thanks for watching.